Okay, so this is how to fade your audio in and out in Premiere Pro. So first things first, we're going to work on effect here. If you can't find this your effect, what you have to do is either you select it from here, check it from here, or you come to your workspace, you go to Windows, come to your workspaces, then you look for effects here. And if you can't still find it, make sure that this your effects here is checked in. So this is it. Make sure that all these things are checked. So by now you should be seeing this your effect. So if you come to your effect, you go to your audio transition, you go to crossfade, you apply this your exponential fade, you drop it here. So you can stretch it probably based on where you want it to start fading from. You can stretch it to start fading from here. And if you want to fade in the music, like the way it started here, you can fade in the music by adding constant gain. Constant gain, it starts slowly, then it's just like coming from 0 to 100, then this is like coming from 100 to 0, like going down. This is going up and this is going down. So let's play it again. So that's it.